What's up guys, in today's gameplay I'm playing in this woodland area and I'm trying something different because, you know, usually I play very fast and I push a lot. But today I'm only playing with the suppressed SSX-23 together here with the NOVRITSCH gearly, and I'm just gonna hide and wait for people to come. I'm gonna play super sneaky, gonna try it, let's see how it goes. And I'm trying to get those moments where, you know, people just walk past me and they can't see me and all that. So let's see if I can do it with the setup. Let's go. I know I said I'm gonna be hiding, but right after the start I rush to the front line to get a few hits before they establish their defense. Gas mehr. Gib es. Moving to the border of the field to get them from behind. Man, how did that guy not hear me coming? He was just sitting there, just waiting. And I was walking up here and it's so loud when you're walking. It's like, what did this guy do? Like, did he pee there or play with his phone or like play Candy Crush? That is like a 100% kill if you pay attention. That guy totally fucked up. Okay, let's move on. Okay, there's a guy right there, 20 meters ahead of us. See him? Ah, fuck! Because the SSX is so quiet, the remaining enemies have no idea that I'm in this bush, so literally a few meters away from them. I will use this to my advantage.
Ja, scheiße. Ja, ist gut.
Time to change positions and hide somewhere else, but I get discovered soon. I have to find a completely different spot. Okay, I'm now behind enemy lines. If I move further on here. Oh, man. Exactly now. I sneaked all the way in the back for a side change. Ah! Man, I like this field. I like how there is a defined game area border, which is this fence, and for some reason people don't really walk along the game area border here. So if you do it, you have an advantage over everybody else because you just aim from the border of the field into the field, so there can never be anybody behind you. You only need to observe 180 degrees instead of 360, so that's really nice. There is 2 guys looking in a different direction. Let's try to get them with a knife. I keep aiming at them in case they hear me.
Jetzt hast du dich im falschen Moment umdreht. Ich wollte dich messern.
Ich habe 5 Minuten voll gesagt, NOVRITSCH komplett voll.
Ah, too bad that this guy turned around. That would have been such a nice knife kill.
Even with a pistol, you can spray the enemies with BBs quite successfully, mostly because of the large magazine and low gas consumption.
Okay, that guy's gonna come back to me, that's for sure. So I'm gonna change position. I'm gonna move myself slightly to the right, and then I'm gonna wait for him to come again. Head! Man, I hit that guy like 5 times in the face before he started even shooting. But I get it, like sometimes people are just full on adrenaline and revenge mode and I just don't feel anything. You could kick them in the balls and they wouldn't feel it. Okay, I'm gonna try very similar route again, but not exactly the same, because then it's too predictable.
What is the guy doing there? Let's watch that again.
Head!
Man, it's so hard to sometimes find the right moment to pull the trigger. I always aim at the guy who pays the closest attention. And what I usually wait for is that, like, he kind of like cramps together because apparently he's seen something. And then I pull the trigger. Okay everyone, that was the SSX-23 only gameplay. I really enjoyed it, mostly because, you know, it's such a lightweight, it's not a lightweight pistol, but it's lightweight compared to, you know, sniper rifle pistol loadout. And because it's so quiet, you know, you can just hide in all those bushes here, use your ghillie and just be all sneaky and all that. So that was great. Let me know in the comments below how you liked it. What's your kind of playstyle? You know, do you like to run an AEG and just breach buildings and stuff? Have you ever tried something like this? Because honestly, I usually don't play like this. I'm more the guy who, you know, is always at the front and always is pushing. But trying this, you know, was new to me. It was definitely fun. It's very effective, I'm gonna say that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this SSX-23 only gameplay. If you wanna get any of this stuff, the entire setup, you can get it at NOVRITSCH.com. So suppressor, pistol, holster, magazines, magazine pouches, ghillie, all of this you can find it at NOVRITSCH.com if you wanna do something similar. So I see you guys over at NOVRITSCH.com or at the next video here on the NOVRITSCH channel.